Good morning, Emma. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Miss Anna. I'm feeling great. I'm excited to be here today.
I'm so happy to hear that. You have a big smile on your face. Did something nice happen?
I was thinking about my very first day at school this morning.
That's a wonderful memory. Do you still remember it clearly?
Yes, I do. It feels like it happened yesterday.
Tell us about that morning. How did your day begin?
I woke up very early because I was too excited to sleep.
Did anyone wake you up?
No, I woke up before my alarm clock.
Wow, you must have been looking forward to your first day.
I really was. I couldn't wait to meet my teacher and my classmates.
What was the first thing you did after getting out of bed?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and got dressed.
Did you wear new clothes?
Yes, I had a brand new school uniform.
How did wearing it make you feel?
I felt proud, but I was also a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Many children feel that way on their first day.
Really?
Absolutely. Starting something new can be exciting and a little scary at the same time.
That makes me feel much better.
Did your family help you get ready?
Yes, my mom helped me fix my collar and tie my shoes.
That was very kind of her.
She wanted me to look my best.
Did you pack your backpack together?
Yes, we packed everything the night before.
What did you put inside?
My notebooks, pencils, crayons, lunchbox, and my water bottle.
Did you check that everything was inside?
Yes, we checked the list twice because I didn't want to forget anything.
That's a smart habit. Being prepared helps you feel more confident.
I think it really did.
After you packed your backpack, what happened next?
After breakfast, my mom and I had breakfast together.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal, a banana, and a glass of milk.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast.
My mom said I needed lots of energy for my first day.
She gave you some wonderful advice.
She also told me to be kind, listen carefully, and always try my best.
Those are excellent words to remember, not just on the first day, but every day.
I still remember them whenever I go to school.
After breakfast, was it finally time to leave?
Yes, I grabbed my backpack, put on my shoes, and we walked to the car.
Were you excited during the drive?
Very excited. I looked out the window the whole time and wondered what my school would be like.
I can imagine that. First days are full of surprises and new adventures.
I couldn't stop smiling, even though I was a little nervous.
That's a perfect way to describe a first day at school. In our next conversation, we'll talk about what happened when you arrived at school and met your teacher and classmates.
I can't wait to tell everyone that part of the story.
We'll see you in part 2. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye! See you next time!